not saying anything. Tell us what happened to Emezia.
What do you want me to tell you? Do you want me to accept that I killed Emezia? I do not know what happened to him.
Ulisa, you are lying. Because Emezia told me he was going to your house.
He did not come to my house.
You killed Emezia?
I didn't.
You did!
I didn't!
Sit down. Ichie. Ichie. Ulisa, tell us the truth so that we can know how to appease the gods. If you are responsible, we will not kill you. You will only go into exile.
How will I go to exile for a crime I did not commit?
It's all right. It's all right, Ulisa. Can you now stand before Ekuro and swear that you did not kill Emezia?
I did not kill Emezia. I did not kill Emezia. It's here!
Ulisa, go home and set your heart and come back to us in the evening and tell us the truth. If you do not tell us the truth, then you will have to swear by Ekuro.
Oh no. He will swear today. He must swear today.
What has Ugoma put me into? How do I escape this? I am finished!
How did it go?
I will swear before a guru that I do not have hand in his death.
Is that why you were scared? Come to think of it, you do not have a hand in his death.
But I saw you hit that thing on his head.
Olisa, be a man! The oath will not harm you because you did not kill him. I did.
I am ready to swear before you go.
Ulisa, your voice is shaking. Why not open up to us so that we can make this necessary sacrifice and send you to exile? We do not want to lose two young men in few days.
Oh no. Oh no. Why are you sounding as if you are appealing to this boy? Why? Ulisa here told us he is ready to swear. Why are you begging him? Why?
Ulisa, for the last time, do you know what happened to Emezia?
I do not know what happened to him.
Are you ready to swear?
I am ready.
Let's go. Oh no, let's go. Ulisa, move.
You should have brought him here before letting him go to swear.
Is he going to die?
Why ask when you know the answer?
Oko, you have to help me. You have to help me, please. I don't want him to die, please. You know how much I love him. I don't want him to die. He's the man after my heart. Please.
I will give you something.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
That is why we are here.
Yes.
Ulisa, are you ready to swear?
If I was not ready, I wouldn't come here.
Take the offer and speak after me.
Yeah. Take the offer. Take the offer. Yeah. The other side. Hold this other side. And handle it properly.
Say after me. Ekuru, I know what happened to Ngozi. Let me die before nightfall.
Are you deaf? Didn't you hear what he said?
Ekuro, if I know what killed Ngozi, let me die before nightfall.
Touch it on your forehead.
This is done. No. Can I go now?
Have you taken the oath?
I'm waiting for my fate.
Not to worry. I have the antidote.
You do?
Yes, I do.
So you knew I was going to die then?
What is wrong with you? Is this how you're going to appreciate my efforts?
Ugoma, wait. Ugoma.
I am now fulfilled. Oh. Yes, I am fulfilled.
But Ichie, do you think Olisa is guilty?
Oh, sure. He is. Listen, I went to see a strong medicine man who told me how it all happened.
Really?
Yes.
So why didn't you say so? We could have stopped him from swearing.
Why should I? Listen, he will only go for 7 years exile and come back. But let me ask you, will that bring Ngozi back?
No. The gods would have punished him at the right time. Anyway.
Oh, the right time is now. Let us go home and wait for the result.
Make it.
If you give female wanna see it till you and I see it while look what you've done to your share. Look what you've done. Look what you've done.
Ulisa, take this charm and save your life. Take it and save your life. You are running out of time. Pikono.
How sure am I this would work?
Ulisa, it will work. It will work. Take. It will work.
Iche, the oath did not kill him.
It will still kill him.
It was supposed to kill him last night.
Did you hear that?
That sounds like Ugoma's voice. Dikeh, what do we do?
What else, if not to call some outcast to throw his body into the evil forest?
Olisa, how could you be this stupid? How could you?
Nze, let us go home.
I blame you for this.
No! Do not blame me. Do not!
It is your fault.
It is not!
It is all your fault.
Let us go. It is not my fault. Nze, it is not my fault.
You have everything to stop it, that you...
Why should I? Why should I? Why should I do that? So, oh no. When we got to his house, we saw Ulisa lying dead, with his body decayed. Huh? Hey! No, why are you shouting? Hey! Why?
It is he who takes in ant-infested firewood into his house that invites the lizard. Why will Ulisa allow this to happen to him? Why? Why will he take the oath when he knew he was guilty? Hey, Ulisa. We have to see this more immediately.
Oh, there is no need. There is no need.
What do we do with his body?
I instructed Nze to go and get some outcasts, so they will throw his body into the evil forest.
Hi. Ulisa. Ulisa. Ezemo, what are you trying to say?
Ugoma must not go unpunished.
Bam! Onyanwa.
Ogula. Ugoma, we invited you here to inform you that you have to go back to your mother's house tomorrow at sunset.
Yes, we have to tie palm front around our house.
Hey. Ndidim. My husbands. Can you at least allow me to finish mourning my husband? Please.
Ugoma, you have to go back to your mother. That is our tradition. If you continue living in that house, some vile spirit will hurt you. No, listen. We cannot let that die down. Going home to our mother's place is not enough. She must tell us the truth. Yes.
Yes. She must tell us what happened to Ngozi.
Yes.
But first, she must go back to her mother's house as Ezemo instructed. But she must also swear before Ikede.
That is it. That is it.
Dikeh, Dikeh, Evuka, Nwawulu.
Mother, how could you be this heartless? I lost my husband and you didn't even bother to come. And now that I am here, you've been acting as if I do not exist. Mother, it's Ugo, your daughter. His people want me to swear that I do not know what happened to Ngozi.
Why are you scared of swearing? I thought you were a strong woman. Go and swear. And if you die, I will bury you and forget everything about you. Ajoma.
Mother, I'm sorry. Please. Mother, please forgive me. Name, please forgive me.
Ogoma, get up. I'm forgiving you.
Oh no, we will not sit here waiting for Nse to come.
Let us start. Ugoma, I want to ask you this again. Do you have anything to tell us about the death of Ngozi?
I want to mourn my husband in peace.
Hey! Ugoma, listen. If there's anyone to mourn Olisa, it should be me. His close relative, not you. Not you.
Let's proceed, Ekpo.
Ugoma, can you tell us what happened to Ngozi?
I will not say anything until I'm done mourning my husband.
Osagie,
As long as you have come here, you must either swear or tell us what happened to him.
Hey. Hey. Dikeh. My husband. You know how much Olisa and I loved each other.
Ugoma, we have not come here to know how you and Olisa love each other. Do what the Dibia said.
Why are we even arguing with Ugoma? Look, Ugoma, you have to swear. We don't have that time. We don't have that time. Just swear.
Ugoma, take the offer and speak after me.
I will not do it.
Osagie, if you don't take the offer, you will die right here. Take the offer.
Osagie, where you Ozugbo?
Now. Say after me. Ekuro, if I know anything about the death of Ngozi,
Ekuro, if I know anything about the death of Ngozi,
punish me severely until I die.
Yes, go.
punish me severely until I
hit your foot 3 times on your forehead. Drop your foot. You can go.
C'est ma voix. C'est ma voix.
Please come with some herbs, please. Mother, what happened?
You should have told them the truth. Look at what you're doing to yourself. You have to save me. I should save you.
Please.
That is the price of wickedness. Look at.
Please, you have to save me. Please.
I better go and confess to them so that they will save you. Because for me, I will do nothing for you. Wicked girl.
Please save me. Hi! Please save me. Please. Please.
Dikeh, Ihuki Melomweki, Onyan Dikeh.
Choma, what is the problem? Why are you bleeding?
My enemies, They have succeeded in ruining my life.
When did this start?
I woke up this morning to this.
So I've gotten this terrible since I left.
Very terrible. Jombo, I need help. I need help, please.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. I know of a strong healer from my maternal home. Once she lays hands on you, you'll be fine. Yes.
Please help me.
I'm coming. Just wait. Hold yourself.
Let's go, let's go.
Just hold yourself. Let me drop my bag. Just wait for me. I'll be back. Who is here? Who is here? Who is here?
I know this place. I've been here before.
Who do we have here?
Mama, I brought my friend.
What are you doing here? Mama!
Do you know her?
Yes. I know this woman. She was my friend who betrayed me, turned me into a slave in my own husband's house. I know her. I am sorry. I did all that out of jealousy. I am sorry. Oma, I'm sorry. I am sorry, Oma. I did all that out of jealousy. Please forgive me. Forgive you? Really? Where do I start from? From my 5 children that you took from me? Or from my husband that you stole from me? Help me, Oma, please. Go home. Please, Oma. I want to leave.
Okay. Let's go. I will take you to another Dikeh. Stand up. Let's go.
I don't want to die. I want to.
You will not die. Stand up, please. Let's go.
Chioma. Leave us. What happened to you? I woke up to this. Please, Mama, forgive me. I forgave you a long time ago. I left that fight for the gods to fight. I will heal you. Mama, you were such a kind woman. You was... How is Olisa? Olisa is dead.
killed him.
He was bitten by a snake.
You are not lying to me, are you?
No. No, I'm not lying.
Do you want to be healed completely?
Yes. Yes, please. Yes.
Then you must go to Ulachi River and fetch a pot of water for me to bath you with. You must not go with anyone. And you must leave now. Take this warning. The pot of water must not touch the ground. Ugomma, the pot of water must not touch the ground. Go now.
Have I not warned you not to bring your unclean body here? Do you want to die?
No, wise woman, no. I am dying. Help me, please.
No. I cannot help you. You are cursed by the gods and Annie. Get out of this place now.
Please, old woman, please.
Get out of this place. Now. Go!
Ugomma, where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Why did you not come back yesterday?
I couldn't fetch water from Ulachi River.
Why?
An old woman stopped me from fetching water.
An old woman?
Yes.
There is no old woman at Ulachi River. It's your imagination playing pranks on you.
No, I saw her.
I said there is no old woman at Ulachi River. When you go there tomorrow, do not pay heed to whatever she says. Just fetch the water and leave.
All right.
Dikeh, Ihuki Nalaweki, Onyan Dikeh, Ihuki Nalaweki, Nalaweki.
I'm sorry, Mother. I'm sorry.
Where could she be? What do we call this? Up to this moment, she's nowhere to be found. Come on. Where could she be? Gods of our land, I want you to protect my daughter. And wherever she is, bring her home safely.
Why can't you take me? Why? I am ready to die. I am ready to die. I am ready to die. I want to die. I want to die.
I want to die.
You cursed child. Have I not warned you not to step your feet in the river? Do you want to die?
Old woman, please. I am sorry, but I have to fetch this water. If I don't fetch this water, I'll be cursed all my life. Please, let me go with this one, please.
Then go and never come back.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Never you come back. Go.
Thank you.
And never come back.
Thank you.
Do you want the pots to touch the ground?
Sorry, I forgot. I'm confused.
I know. The pot must not touch the ground.
What do I do?
Carry it. Buy 7 heads of black soap tomorrow and bring it here.
I don't want my mother to know about this.
Very well then. You can come here and have your bath tomorrow.
Where do I keep the pot of water?
Carry it on your head.
Oma! I thought you had forgiven me.
I have. If I haven't forgiven you, I will not let you bring your unclean self here.
I've been carrying this water for a long time. It's heavy.
I know. Make sure it does not touch the ground.
I don't want my mother to see this.
You cannot keep the water pot here, woman. Ugomma, what is the meaning of this? Ugomma, I'm talking to you. What is the meaning of... You know, Zikwaya? Why are you carrying water like this? Bring it. Let me help you. Hey! Yeah! Where did you get that from? Are you carrying it like that? Hey! Ugomma, are you comfortable with that? No, you've lost it. Where are you going with it? Now?
Mother, please.
Where did you get this water from?
Don't touch this water pot. Please. I beg you, in the name of the gods. Don't touch this water pot.
Where is the water pot?
I left it.
Why did you not bring it?
I actually forgot it. I don't even know what I was thinking.
Go home and bring it. Water pot.
Mother, my water pot!
It was thinking too much, so I had to.
You had to? Mother, you had to! Please, you had to do what?
You had to do what? You had to do what? No, you had to do what? Mother, you had to... Mother, you had to do what?
Goma, you're shouting.
Mother, you had to do what? My water pot. My water pot. You had to do what? Hey, my water pot. That water pot. You had to do what?
I kept it in the barn for you. I hope you did not touch the ground.
No.
Put it on the stool. Go behind and hold it. Take it home. Go and take a bath in the middle of your mother's farm before sunset. Make sure nobody sees you.
Oma, how is that possible? I'm a woman and I'm not...
No. You are not a woman until you have done this.
Mother's house.
Who is in charge here? Go and do what I have asked, else you leave it. But remember, you will bleed for the rest of your days. The soap.
Is this not madness? Which did my explanation like this? I am not bleeding again. I am no longer bleeding. See, I've been healed. See, I'm no longer bleeding. I am no longer bleeding. Listen, I've been healed. 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 Mama, you stink. Goma, go and take your bath. You smell like a dead vulture. Just go. I am doomed. I am. I said go and take your bath. Go there quickly. Mother, I'm done. Ugoma, you even smell worse. Go and put this in your water and bathe with it. Why has this befallen me? Gods of our land, why did you allow this to befall me? Why has this befallen me? Gods of our land, why has this befallen me?
What is that?
She stinks.
I heard that she's the one that killed her husband.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Maybe that's why the gods have finally decided to punish her.
Do not come any closer.
I am finished. I am finished.
Did you bath with the 7 heads of black soap?
Yes, I did. I did as you instructed. Right in the middle of my mother's farm. No one saw me.
Did the pot touch the ground?
No!
Impossible. Impossible. Something is amiss. Go home and ask your mother. Go home. Go!
Did the water pot touch the ground?
What pot?
Did the water pot touch the ground?
Ugoma, can you just calm down and talk to me?
The water pot I left on the water the other day, did you let it touch the ground?
But you never told me it wasn't meant to touch the ground.
Hey. Hey.
What?
Hey.
Did anything happen?
Hey. You have finished me. I pleaded with you. I pleaded with you in the name of the gods not to touch that water pot. I pleaded with you. I pleaded with you. You have pleaded with you not to touch the water pot, but that with your own hands you have brought doom upon your daughter. With your own hands you have brought doom upon me.
What happened? Tell me now, what is it? You should have told me. You should have told me that the water pot was not meant to touch the ground. I was only trying to help you.
Help. Help. And this is where your help has landed me.
Let's look for another solution. Oh?
my life and my soul! Take my life and keep my soul!
If you take your life, your spirit will be ruined forever. You will suffer in the passage.
I have given in to suffering. I feel no pain. I want to rest my soul here.
Your sufferings has not started. Get out of this place!
Ugomma.
Wait, what happened to her? Where is she?
I can't say, follow me. Hey, run,
Dikeh,
Why did you allow this to happen to me? I could have lost my daughter like this. Dikeh, you give me